Hello, welcome to Daryl's Beekeeping Videos. I'm a master beekeeper, and today's lesson is the 3-day checkup after installing a packaged bees. I've got 2 colonies that I'm going to check, and the reason you want to check packages, the queens, after the 3rd day is to see if she's been released yet and she's been accepted. The second reason is that you want to make sure that your queen cage has not fallen all the way to the bottom of the hive if you didn't use a rubber band to hold it to the foundation, or if you did not have drawn comb. If you have drawn comb, you can actually pin it a little easier. So again, this is just a quick checkup. I'm not anticipating checking on eggs, so I'm not going to put on my reading glasses or my sweatband. I probably will use a flashlight in case I need to see down it. I'm going to try to check and see if I can see the queen cage without actually removing it, but if I have to, I will. So I'll see you after I get suited up, and we'll go inside the hive. Okay, I'm over at the second hive that I put a package in. You can see that the bees are just being calm. These are normal orientation and foraging flights where they're just making ovals. So again, I will gently open everything up like I did on the other colony. I'll check the sugar syrup, see if they've still got it. If not, I'll add some more of it when I'm done. And again, I will pull out an outermost frame first. If I cannot see the queen cage, then I will gently spread the frames apart that have the queen cage pinned in between it, because I did not use a rubber band to hold it in place because I have drawn comb. And then I will inspect it, see if they've released her. So again, I'll give you a shot just as soon as I get everything torn apart. And again, I'm gently going to move stuff apart so I don't bump the queen cage all the way to the ground. Okay, this is the exact reason why you have to check after 3 days. If you can look and see in the bottom, for whatever reason, this queen cage fell whenever I pinched it between 2 solid frames of comb, drawn comb. It should have stayed in place, but as you can see in this video, that it is laying on its side on the bottom. I think it's in such a position that the bees can get access to it, because the queen, it's on the bottom and at the point where the gap is, and the screen's facing the gap. But I'm going to find out here in a second when I pull it out. Okay, I've pulled the queen cage out, and you can see the bees are trying to get it to it. I don't see any of them curling their tails. To me, it just looks, I don't see any biting. It's possible, but to me, they're still getting to the queen. I'm not sure if they've accepted her yet, so I will carefully monitor this. And if you look in the base of it and turn it around here, I'm going to blow on it to get that bee out of there. And you can see inside. Let me get a light. You can see inside there, there's a worker still working at it to get the sugar plug out. Again, I don't see him biting, I see him kind of licking. So again, I'm going to reposition this inside the box and keep my eye on it. Again, if it were not cold, going to be cold again tonight, I could put an emery shim up on top and then just leave that queen cage up on top with the screen facing up. So I'll attempt to reestablish it. Alright, so I'm going to show you where the queen is in there. I'm blowing it. You can see that the cage is clearly upright and the bees are working it. They're covered it up. As you can see, I can clearly see the hole, so it means that they can get access to it. So we'll go from there. They don't like it when you blow on it, but again, you can kind of see the point. I just wanted to make a point that you want to make sure that hole is clearly visible. So there it is, it's clearly visible, and the girls will go back to it. You can see the sugar plug in it, so they're still working at it. It's almost done. So again, it tells me that they're fairly calm and they've probably accepted her, so I'll just wait another 3 days.